Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to send sound emoji on Facebook Messenger, or better yet, how to send a sound effect on Facebook Messenger. It's a new feature. First, let's go into the Messenger app. Once you're in the app, you're going to select the person that you would like to send the sound effect to. Let me tap on that one right here. And you're going to tap on the smiley face, which on my screen is right beside the basketball in the bottom right hand corner. I'm going to tap on that right there. And from here you'll see a lot of emojis, but you're going to tap on the microphone icon right here. And here you'll see the different sound emojis that you can send. There are numerous sounds, as you can see. You can select a ghost, or you can select the drum, whichever you would like. After you have found one that you have liked, you can simply tap on send, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.